welcome back. So today I'm focusing on this eye look. I pretty much winged it. Okay, I did not plan this look at all or anything, but yeah, let's just jump into it. So as you can see, I went ahead and I based my eyes with some concealer from Star Cosmetics in Golden Beige, and I'm taking this crease brush from Stilazzi, and we're applying some of that brown eyeshadow into our crease area. So I went on either sides of my lid with it as well, because I wanted to create like a halo effect. And I'm using different browns because from the Morphe 25A palette. I love using this palette because of the neutral tones. And basically I just kept on building that up to my liking. And then what I did is I went in the middle with some more of the concealer and cut the crease. I did a halo cut crease, as you can see. I'm going in with Take Me to Brazil palette. I'm taking both the orange and the yellow there. And I pretty much I knew that I wanted the two of these colors to be on it, so I kind of just created like a sandwich effect, and I put the yellow in the middle and kind of on the bottom portions of the lid, or beneath the orange. You know, it's easier to watch than explain, but yeah, and I liked how everything was coming together. And then I kind of just blended the outer portions of that with some more of the brown that I applied earlier on. Yeah, so everything was, just bleeding into each other effortlessly. There weren't any harsh lines, except for the crease line, of course, which we always want to be super sharp. Yeah, I moved on to the liner, though. This is a very important part of this look because I decided to go for a glitter liner. Initially, I wasn't sure what I was going to do. As I said, this wasn't planned. I took my Stilazzi Gel Liner here, by the way. And I love this liner. It's amazing. So I'm just creating a regular wing. And if you need a wing liner tutorial, I have one listed below. So I took this liner from Fenty Beauty. I forgot the name. I'll put it in the description. Now, initially I was like, let me give this a second shot, because the first time I applied it, I did not apply it properly. I applied okay, but I didn't go all the way because I was supposed to rub on it so it could show up, but I didn't do so. So I said, okay, I'm gonna try it out, but it wasn't bright enough. So I decided to go over that. I mean, the surface was still tacky, so I just went over top of it with some gold glitter. And I pat it on. I didn't use any adhesive or anything. No glitter adhesive. I literally just pat it onto the liner carefully. And this is what we have. I didn't want to cover the liner entirely either. I still wanted some of the black to peek through. So that's how I left it. And guys, I was absolutely loving this look. Very pretty. Yeah, so I was pretty pleased with it. And since I'm wearing fusion lashes, I decided to just rock with them. I'll need to get a refill soon, but I said I didn't want to hide the liner, so I didn't go ahead and apply any falsies. I went off camera, applied face makeup because, of course, as I said, I just wanted the eyes to be the focus. Now I came back and I just sprayed my face and kind of just pat everything in. And yeah, I was so comfortable with what was going on with the eyes that I didn't even realize that something was missing. It was afterwards, after applying my Illuminator, which I'm doing here, I was saying, you know what, something looks missing, which was my liner. But that was all the way after I applied my lippy, when I realized that I wanted to add some liner, and I didn't apply any mascara either. So yeah, so I'm just glowing up my face right here. I know I went in with the lips. I used Trending Topic from Lena Cosmetics Baby Matte lipstick collection. And can you believe I actually went in the middle of that with some concealer? I remember my old video, my first YouTube video, where I used concealer on the lips, and I was saying, you know what, why not use some concealer today, because it was really light. I mean, I do have light lippies, nudes, but I don't know, I just felt like doing this, and I loved the combination. It was beautiful. And then this is where I remembered that I wanted to apply some liner. So that's what I did. I took the same gel liner for this, and I applied a bit of mascara to my lower lashes only. that's it for this look. That is it, guys. I really love it. I hope you enjoyed it as well. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumb up and leave your thoughts down below in the comments section as usual. Let me know which other looks you'd like, not just looks but video in general. I always say that, you know, because you guys really do help. But yeah, so that is it. And oh yeah, this is my natural hair, by the way. I did an updated wash day video, so go ahead and check that out. But yeah, that's it for today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, bye.